Hey there, Joe Metcalf, InspiredFuel.com, Book Talk Tuesday, people, and hope you're doing well. And a book I wanted to talk about today is on finances and on money. And it's a book I read a few years back, and it's very, very powerful when it comes to understanding finances and growing your financial IQ and creating a money mindset. And that book is called Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. That's Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker, and it's all about how to, practically do more things to save more money, to invest more money, and also to develop that mindset to understand your financial IQ and understand better habits that can help make you become more successful financially. It covers a lot of basics, but it's a great way to get a foundation for a financial IQ and how to develop money skills. So it's a great book. I highly recommend it. T. Harv Eker is great, and you'll really enjoy the book. So that's Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. Joe Metcalf here, InspiredFuel.com. Have a great night, everybody. Take care now.